All right, guys. Good evening. My name is Chuks Anyanwu. I'm a Forex coach and instructor. So today I just want to show you a few tips. A few Forex trading tips that most of you are not really aware, okay, of. But again, before I do that, I want to review some of the trade setups we had. We had during the week, in the course of the week, okay. On Euro USD, we didn't do anything because we didn't see a setup, okay? On UJ, we also did not, we also took a number of trades, okay? We took a number of trades which panned out, very successfully, okay? They panned out very successfully, and we were able to make some pips, okay? We were able to make some pips here, okay, up to this level, and here up to this trade level, okay. So we made some pips there, okay. On GU, this setup was very successful. For those of you who took it, this was our pending order, buy stop order entry, okay. So if you manage this trade very well, you should have done at least in excess of 1-to-1, okay. Then this is our target, okay. This is our target for this trade. We hope that the market will progress to this, our take profit target, okay. On AU, we didn't take any trade because there's no setup yet. See, okay, I'm still working on the possible trade direction we're going to take here, but from the fundamental side, we have already taken a decision, okay. We've already taken a decision on the fundamental side. So the Euro USD here, let's just go back to what we had. I discovered that I couldn't take horizontal levels, okay. I couldn't take horizontal levels. So what we need to do here is to use dynamic structures to trap price, okay. And what we need to do is just put on your moving averages, the 9 and the 21. They will configure a dynamic structure. They configure dynamic structure part, for you to take in the trade, okay. So that's the way to do this, because if you look at this trade, if you zoom out on this trade, okay, you see that you don't really have previous highs, that you could draw your horizontal levels from. Let's even take our level from the daily time frame, okay. You will see that all the highs that are there are very far away from the current price action, okay. From the current price action, okay. So there are no there are no two equal highs, okay. So if you take this level, okay, the next level you want to come and take is this level. They are still far away from price action, okay. They are still far away. Look at where price is, okay. So but we could just leave those levels for future reference, all right. But for now, for you to enable you to take an immediate action, you need to introduce your moving average, okay. Also, what I noticed is that the market is ranging, ranging in between this part, okay. So if you can trade it, from this ranging structure, okay. You can trade it from this ranging structure, which should have been so perfect on the daily time frame, which means I have to swing this trade, okay. Which means we have to swing this double bottom, okay. So this double bottom, perhaps it will just play out fully somewhere around here as our take profit target, okay. So I expect the price to still move considerably, up to this level, but I need to see good price action, okay. I need to see price action. So on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that price is still far away from structure. So what we're waiting for is price to put to structure. Then we look for an opportunity to trade this market, okay. But you can see the market has actually broken this structure, which is key. So when market break a structure like this, you expect it to go back and retest the level and continue. You can see that this market is actually in an uptrend from this 4-hour time frame, okay. The market is in an uptrend, so we intend to continue to take a long position on this in this market. All right. Okay, so on the UJ, we'll continue to trade this range band market. We'll continue to trade the range band market until we see a breakout from this range. Okay. If we see a breakout, that's a trading opportunity. If a breakout does not happen, we still trade the range bound system. Okay. All right. Then on GU, okay, GU, of course, I've told you what we should do here. You know, for those of you here in this trade, just prepare to manage it properly so that you can extract profit from the market. Okay. So here on AU, we expect that this market should continue to go up. Okay. The certain news, you know, from the news calendar today have shown that the dollar has weakened a little. So, you know, this might make the AU pair continue to inch up, okay, or to rally, okay. So, but again, let's look at the dollar index. I like to see what the dollar index is doing. Okay, I like to see what the dollar index is doing. So let me see what the dollar index is doing, then we can sorry guys, let me just get you the dollar index. This is crypto, this is dollar index. Okay, this is the dollar index. Okay, all right, so let's look at the chart. Let's look at the chart and see what is happening. Okay, so the dollar index, you can see the dollar index on the 4-hour time frame is what is bearish. Okay, so dollar is weakening. Dollar is weakening overall on the daily time frame. You can see this massive weakness in the dollar. Okay, so you can see this massive weakness in the dollar. The dollar is actually in a downtrend. Okay, making series of lower highs. Okay, sorry, lower lows. You know, and lower highs, of course. Okay, so the dollar index is what is bearish. Okay, so what that means is that this instrument should be buying. Okay, this instrument should be buying. Okay, and this should also be buying. Okay, then this should be selling. Okay, this should be selling. Okay, this should be selling. All right, the Euro USD should also be buying. Okay, all right, so we expect to see buying opportunity here. If you look at the economic calendar too, you see that the negative CPI news that came out today for the greenback has also contributed to the deepening or to the dropping of the dollar. You can see the CPI was bad for the currency USD, and so this also contributed to the dropping of the dollar. Okay, so guys, these are some of the highlights I just want to spot out today for you guys. Okay, for this EU, I want to look for buy opportunity in the market. Okay, I'll continue to stock for buy opportunity. I've not seen any. I want to see price get to the moving average and print a pattern for me. Then I will go long on this market. Okay, so guys, today is Wednesday. We still have Thursday to trade, and let's keep our fingers crossed and wait for further profitable setups to enable us to take the trade. Okay, all right guys, I think that's all I have for you today. Till when I come back on this session again, do have a blessed day. Bye bye.